Good morning, children. All of you open your volume 1 EVS workbook. Okay, volume 1 EVS workbook. Page number 28. Page number 28. Okay, see first one. State whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, today we are going to see true or false in the page number 28. See the first one. Arctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. Arctic Ocean ne Southern Ocean antaranda. Arctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. No, it is wrong. Okay, Antarctic Ocean is called the Southern Ocean. Okay, so the first one is false. Right here, false. Arctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. It is wrong. Antarctic Ocean is called the Southern Ocean. The state of Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals. Jammu and Kashmir ki two capitals unnayanta. Yes, it is true. Next, we can find kangaroo and emu in South America. No, this is wrong. Kangaroos were found in Australia and emu also was found in, this is a bird, largest bird, it cannot fly. Kangaroos have a pouch on their stomach to carry their babies. Okay, kangaroos and emus are found in Australia, not in South America. So this is false. Third one is false. Next, the ocean and seas are a part of hydrosphere. Yes, water hydrosphere already I explained you while teaching the lesson. That lithosphere means land. Hydrosphere means water. Biosphere means organisms where they live. Okay. So hydrosphere comes under the water only. Ocean and seas are a part of the hydrosphere. Yes, it is true. Next, Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. Yes, it is also true. Next, seas contain fresh water. It is false. Sea water is salty, no? So it is false. Okay, again we can see it once again. Arctic Ocean is also called the Southern Ocean. It is false. Antarctic Ocean is called the Southern Ocean. So it is false. Next, the state of Jammu and Kashmir has two capitals. It is true. We find kangaroo and emu in South America. It is false. Kangaroos and emus were found in Australia. The ocean and the seas are a part of hydrosphere. Our environment, in our environment, they're divided into spheres. Lithosphere means landforms. Okay, and hydrosphere means water. So ocean and seas comes under the part of water only, water bodies only. So it is true. Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. It is also true. Seas contain fresh water. It is false. All we know, seawater is salty. Next, compare the structure of the earth to a boiled egg in the given table. Which layer of the earth contain landforms? Okay, our earth is divided into three layers. We must compare that three layers into to the boiled egg. See, layer of the earth, which is called, so see here in the boiled egg, it is called the shell. Shell is compared to the earth layer crust. The outermost layer, no, shell means outermost layer of the egg. So crust is the outer layer of the earth. Okay, so shell of a boiled egg is compared with the crust of the earth. Next, mantle means egg white. It is the middle layer. Okay, that is white. Okay, and yolk means egg yolk, this one. Okay, it is compared to the core of the earth. Okay, on the earth there are three layers: crust, mantle, core. Okay, outer layer is crust. Outer layer of the earth is crust. It is compared to the shell of the boiled egg. And inner layer is mantle. It is compared to the egg white of an boiled egg. Next, core means innermost layer. It is compared to the egg yolk. Innermost layer of the earth is called the core. It is like a yolk in a boiled egg. Okay, dash is the layer of the earth which contain landforms. Already here we discussed, no, water bodies comes under the hydrosphere, landforms comes under the lithosphere. Lithosphere. Okay, all the continents, next come to the fill in the blanks. All the continents were once a single mass called. Okay, once they thought that all the continents exist as a single land mass, they called it as Pangaea. Okay, Pangaea. Okay, they called it as Pangaea. All the continents were once a single mass called Pangaea. See here, the second one, India is located at the southern part of which continent? India is located at the southern part of, we are in Asia. Next, the world's largest desert, that is Sahara Desert. It is in the dash continent, Africa. Sahara Desert is in the Africa. The world's largest desert is Sahara Desert. It is in the continent Africa. The majority of the population lives in dash continent. Okay, ఎక్కువ పాపులేషన్ ఉన్న కాంటినెంట్ ఏది అంటే ఏషియా. అగైన్ అవర్ కాంటినెంట్. Okay, the world's largest island is Greenland. It is in which continent? North America. North America. The world's largest island is in dash continent. Largest island in the world is Greenland. It is in North America. It is in the continent North America. Russia spreads into dash and dash continents. It is the largest country. Already we read yesterday. Russia spreads into Asia and Europe. Okay. Dash is the layer of the earth which contains landforms. Landforms comes under the lithosphere. Okay, water comes under the hydrosphere. Water bodies comes under the hydrosphere. Next, come to the fill in the blanks. All the continents were once a single mass called. ఓకే, కాంటినెంట్స్ అన్నీ కూడా ఒకే సింగిల్ మాస్ కింద ఉండేవని ఒకప్పుడు అనుకునేవారు అనమాట. దే కాల్డ్ ఇట్ యాజ్ Pangaea. India is located at the southern part of the which continent? Means Asia. The world's largest desert, it is the Sahara Desert. It is in which continent? Means Africa. Sahara Desert is in Africa. The majority of the population lives in which continent? Means ఎక్కువ పాపులేషన్ ఏ కాంటినెంట్లో ఉన్నాయి అంటే ఏషియా. ఏ కాంటినెంట్లో ఉంది అంటే ఏషియా. The world's largest island is the Greenland. It is in which continent? Means North America. Russia spreads into dash and dash continents. Russia, which is the largest country, it is spreaded into which continents means Asia and Europe. Now come to the next page. I hope all you learned these two questions. Now come to the third question. Name the oceans. How are they different from seas? Okay, ocean is the largest body of salt water. Okay, that surrounds a continent. కాంటినెంట్ చుట్టూతో ఉన్న సాల్ట్ వాటర్ బాడీనే ఓషన్ అంటాం. లార్జెస్ట్ బాడీ ఆఫ్ సాల్ట్ వాటర్నే ఓషన్ అంటాం. ఓషన్ ఈజ్ ది లార్జెస్ట్ బాడీ ఆఫ్ సాల్ట్ వాటర్ దట్ సరౌండ్స్ ఏ కాంటినెంట్స్. ఓకే, కాంటినెంట్స్ చుట్టూతో ఉన్న లార్జ్ సాల్ట్ వాటర్ బాడీనే ఓషన్ అని చెప్పేసి అంటాం. ఓకే, మన వరల్డ్లో 5 ఓషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. దే ఆర్ పసిఫిక్ ఓషన్, అట్లాంటిక్ ఓషన్, ఇండియన్ ఓషన్, సదరన్ ఓషన్ అండ్ ఆర్కిటిక్ ఓషన్. ఓకే, దెర్ ఆర్ 5 ఓషన్స్. ఓకే, గ్లోబ్ మీద చూసినా కూడా మీకు 5 ఓషన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, ఆన్ ది ఎర్త్ దెర్ ఆర్ 5 ఓషన్స్. దే ఆర్ పసిఫిక్, అట్లాంటిక్, ఇండియన్, సదరన్ అండ్ ఆర్కిటిక్ ఓషన్. ఓకే, ఓషన్ ఈజ్ ది లార్జెస్ట్ బాడీ ఆఫ్ సాల్ట్ వాటర్ దట్ సరౌండ్స్ ఏ కాంటినెంట్. కాంటినెంట్ చుట్టూతో ఉన్న లార్జెస్ట్ వాటర్ బాడీనే సాల్ట్ వాటర్ బాడీనే ఓషన్ అంటాం. ఇన్ ది వరల్డ్ దెర్ ఆర్ 5 ఓషన్స్: పసిఫిక్ ఓషన్, అట్లాంటిక్ ఓషన్, ఇండియన్ ఓషన్, సదరన్ ఆర్ అంటార్క్టిక్ ఓషన్ అండ్ ఆర్కిటిక్ ఓషన్. ఓకే, సీస్ ఆర్ ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఓషన్. ఓకే, సీస్కి ఓషన్స్కి ఉన్న డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటి అంటే ఓషన్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ లార్జ్ వాటర్ బాడీస్. సీస్ ఆర్ ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఓషన్. ఓషన్లో ఒక పార్ట్. ఓకే, సీస్ ఆర్ పార్షియల్లీ ఎన్క్లోజ్డ్ బై ల్యాండ్. ఓకే, మనం ఏదైనా సీకి వెళ్ళినా కూడా అక్కడ మనకి పార్షియల్గా ల్యాండ్ కనిపిస్తుంది. దాని చుట్టూతో మనకి సీస్ చుట్టూ ల్యాండ్ కనిపిస్తాయి అన్నమాట. దే ఆర్ స్మాలర్ దాన్ ఓషన్స్. ఓషన్స్ కంటే కూడా సీస్ అనేవి చాలా చిన్నవి. ఓకే, సీస్ ఆర్ ఏ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది ఓషన్. దే ఆర్ పార్షియల్లీ ఎన్క్లోజ్డ్ బై ల్యాండ్. ఓకే, వాటి చుట్టూతా మనకి ల్యాండ్ అనేది కనిపిస్తుంది. దే ఆర్ స్మాలర్ దాన్ ది ఓషన్స్. సీస్ అనేవి ఓషన్స్ కంటే కూడా చాలా చిన్నవి. ఓకే, ఓషన్ ఈజ్ ది లార్జెస్ట్ బాడీ ఆఫ్ సాల్ట్ వాటర్ దట్ సరౌండ్స్ ఏ కాంటినెంట్. దెర్ ఆర్ 5 ఓషన్: పసిఫిక్ ఓషన్, అట్లాంటిక్ ఓషన్, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. Seas are partially enclosed by land. They are smaller than the oceans. Next question. What are the main layers of the earth? There are 3 main layers on the earth. They are crust, mantle and core. There are 3 main layers in the earth. The main layers of the earth are crust, mantle and the core. Already we discussed here. Now we compared with the parts of the boiled egg. Okay, crust, outermost layer is crust and the middle layer is mantle and the innermost layer is core. Okay, crust, mantle and core. Okay, today's homework is read 3-4 question and answers. Okay, write in your workbook. Okay, write one time in your notebook. Okay, after first write in your workbook. After reading that, after you got the 2 questions, write in your notebook without seeing. Okay, this is your homework. Thank you.